I will show you how to convert a photo to PNG in Adobe Photoshop. So as you can see here, I have this photo right here, and if I hit properties, right click on it, and now show more and properties, you can see that this is a JPG file. Now I will show you how to convert this easily into a PNG file. So I will just click once on it, now right click on it, select open with and Adobe Photoshop. This is a quick way how to drag your photo into Adobe Photoshop with the same resolution. Okay, now I'd like you to hit a combination of keys on your keyboard. If you press Alt, Shift, Ctrl and W, this menu will pop up, or also you can get into the same place by going to File, now Export, and here you can locate Export As, and as you can see, this is the same combination of keys I told you about. Okay, now once this menu pop up, I want you to select the format above here. I will select the PNG as I want. Down here is the resolution of the photo, and at the left side you can locate the size of the photo, basically the size the photo will receive after the conversion. Okay, so now I'll just press on export. After I did all this, I will select the location on my computer. Desktop is fine, you can give it a name if you'd like. I will just press on save, and now I'll close Photoshop and I can locate my photo right here. This is a PNG file.